Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you how you can install WordPress on localhost using LocalWP. This is one of the fastest method that you can use to install WordPress on your laptop or desktop. So I've tried a lot of different softwares, but this seems to be like the fastest for me, so I've moved away from them to this one. So I'll be just showing you for this tutorial like how you install it from scratch and go till installing an theme and then importing the demo, so you can see how quickly it can be done. So to begin, you can go to localwp.com, and once you're here you can click on download for free. You can choose your platform in this drop down menu and fill in your details, and your download should start now. So once it's finished downloading, you can open up the file and do your installation. It's pretty straightforward even for Windows. So once that is installed, you can go and open the application up. Once the application is opened, you will see something like this. So once you're here, you can click create new site. You're now presented with three options. One is create a new site, create from blueprint, and another one is you can drag and drop your existing project into this one. So for this tutorial, we're going to choose create new site and click continue. You can give your site a name. I'm going to call it test blog. So if you see the advanced option, you have the local site domain. You can change this up if you want, and this is how you will be accessing your local site. And here we have the local site path. You can change this as well, but I'm going to leave it as it is and click continue. Here again, you have two options. One is preferred and custom. If you're going to stage a site that you're already having it and you wanted to choose the same PHP version and the web server, you can go for this. But for this tutorial, I'm going to go with preferred option and click continue. So here you have your username, password. I'm going to choose mine. And I'm going to click add site. Once WordPress is installed, this is the screen that you'll see. So when you're here, you can click on open site. So this is our installation. If you see, we're not actually logged in to WordPress dashboard. So to do that, you can go back to local, and it's easier to do it from here. So first you choose this option. It's one-click admin option. And then if you click on this button, it'll automatically log you into the dashboard. So from here, you go to appearance, theme, add new theme. I'm going to install Astra, activate it. I'm going to install a starter template. Click on build with templates. I'm going to choose Elementor. You have so many options here to choose a starter template. If you want to do it from scratch, you can also do that, but sometimes it's easier to take a demo and then modify it. It's up to your preference. So I'm just going to show you. Now I'm going to choose its branch store. Skip and continue. You can change the colors if you want. You can even do this later. Now we'll just wait for it to finish. So once it's done, you'll see the screen, and if you click on view your website, yep, here we go. So it has installed. Now you can go with Elementor and edit this page and change it up, or you can do it from scratch, up to you, but I just want to show you how easy it is to use local. So as you can see, it was pretty easy to install WordPress easily, and there are a lot of features you can explore here. I'll be making more WordPress videos, so if you're interested, feel free to subscribe. So that's it guys, thank you so much.